Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build-A-Cross, and I wanted to show you how I painted this quilt sign pattern. And I'm going to go in first and paint the center of my quilt pattern in honky tonk red, and then I'm going to go in with cotton for the center and cobalt blue for the edges. So I kept it just like red, white, and blue. Really pretty classic colors. Once I'm done base coating, I will go in and outline everything with a Sharpie brushstroke marker. And then that's it. I kept this really simple, and I did go in and do a second coat on the white. White is the only color that sometimes I have to go in and do a second coat on. So once I'm done with that, it will be completed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.